Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we will learn how to create an WhatsApp chatbot for your scuba diving center businesses. For example, you have a scuba diving center in where you can provide different facilities to your students regarding the book a dive, show schedules as well as safety tips. Responding each and every student manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create an WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your students send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create an WhatsApp chatbot for your scuba diving center business, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your clients instantly. By sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of scuba diving center, hi, or instead of any message you can send, here I sended a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hey there, welcome to the official WhatsApp account of Pabbly Scuba Dive Center, where your underwater adventure begins. How can I help you today? While providing me 3 different options, that is book your dive, show schedule and safety tip. If I'll click on book your dive, then it will respond to me like this, that please provide your full name. So here I am providing my name. Here I write it. After that, you can see it will ask me to select the time slot while providing me 3 different times. If I'll click on this, then it will ask me preferred date for booking. Here I am giving them one date. Here I provide it. After that, you can see it will respond to me like this, that booking confirmed. Thank you Mehruz Khan for booking with us. Appointment date 29/5/2025. Our team will connect with you soon. You can see the bot will respond to me by my name and the date that I have given them here. If I'll click on safety tips, then it will respond to me like this while providing me some safety tips. So in this video, we are going to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot for our scuba diving center business. Let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I'll click on sign in option. See, these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their user. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll go in the Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. Here you are landed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. When you click on this, it will provide you 2 options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, it will ask you for Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Here you can also add multiple folders, while in this home section you can see the active status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. The second feature is the inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond to them by here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contact, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot and you can see contact details, create segments, tag user, etc. The fourth one is the team queue, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to many users at once, and it is also used for promotion, announcement and updates. The seventh one is the flow, in where you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Flow Builder. The next one is the AI assistant, activity log, settings and get help. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, it will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow builder, where you can see your total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. Here on the right hand side you can see one button is there, add flow button. With the help of this button you can create a new WhatsApp chatbot. So this is the starting point of your flow, but before this first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our scuba diving center business, so here I am providing a name. Here I write it. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and action. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We will use this button in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. There are the three ways to start your flow. The one is keyword, the second is regex and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. The third one is the choose template, and where you can create multiple templates and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation that was started by your side. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex. So here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond to the any message of your clients that they were sent to your WhatsApp business account of Scuba Diving Center. Now I want to write one welcome message for my clients. For that I am clicking on this media button. It will provide me one message box. I'll drag this box here, select media type as image and upload one image related to my Scuba Diving Center. Here you can see the image is uploaded successfully. Now I want to write one welcome message. For that I am clicking on this plus add content button, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my message. Here I write it. While in this you can see I'll ask my customer that how can I help you today. So for answering this I am providing them some buttons by clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first button as book your dive. The second button I'll write is show schedule and the third button I'll write is safety tips. Here I write it. After that I'll connect the starting point of my flow to the welcome message I wrote for my clients. For that I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here it is connected. Now if my clients wants to book a dive in my Scuba Diving Center, then they will click on this button book your dive. Then my bot will respond to them. For this I'm clicking on this action option and choose the button as ask question. It will provide me one question box. I'll drag this box here. And at first, I want to know the name of my client. For that, I am asking them to please provide your full name. Here I write it. Now in this select contact custom field, I'll select as full name. I have already created this contact custom field before. If you want to know how to create a contact custom field into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. In this, I'll select format as text. Number of attempt I'll give as 1, and you can also write validation message in this enter validation message box. Now I'll connect this circle which are present in front of book your dive to the message I write here. After that, when my client will provide me their name, so my bot will ask them to choose a proper time slot according to their preference. So for that, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my message. Here I write it. Now I am providing them some time slots that are available in my Scuba Diving Center. By clicking on this plus add button, it will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first time as 8 AM to 11 AM. The second time I'll write is 12 PM to 3 PM. And the third time I'll write is 4 PM to 7 PM. Here I write it. After that, my clients will select any of these time slots. Then my bot will ask them to provide a preferred date for booking. For that, I'm again taking one ask a question button. Drag this question box here. and write a question as please provide a preferred date for booking. Here I write it. After that, in the select contact custom field, I'll select as date, and the format I'll select as date. The number of attempt will be 1, and you can also write any message here. After that, I'll connect this circle to this circle to this, and this to this, so that whenever my clients select any of these time slot, then at first my bot will ask them to provide a preferred date. So after that step, when my clients will provide me the preferred date, then my bot will respond to them. For this, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my respond message. Here I write it. You can see I'll use this dollar symbol before full name, because with the help of this symbol, my bot will respond to my clients by their name. I also use this symbol before date also, because different clients have different name and they want to book on the different date. So for sending the manual date and manual name, we will use this symbol. You can also see I'll use this asterisk symbol, because with the help of this symbol, this message will go to the WhatsApp account of my clients in the bold format. After that, the second one is the show schedules. If my clients wants to know about the schedules that are available in my scuba diving center, then they will click on this button. For this, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, and choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write some schedules that are available in my scuba diving center. Here I write it. Now I am providing them one button for my client by clicking on this plus add button. Here I provided one button, that is book a dive. So if my client wants to book a dive in my scuba diving center, then the booking process would be the same that we were done here. So I am connecting this circle to this message. The response would be the same. After that, when my clients wants to know about some safety tips, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I am writing some safety tips for my clients. Here I write it. Now our flow is completed. So basically, this is the final look of your flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot for your scuba diving center business. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. After clicking on this, your bot will started working properly and it will respond to your clients instantly, just like this. So this bot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.